Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and tasty egg rice. This is very easy to make. If you have a leftover rice at home, so you can try this delicious egg rice recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started and see how to make this delicious egg rice.
Now let's take a pan. Into the pan, let's add about 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add about 10 garlic cloves which is crushed. Let's stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes till all the aroma is well released in the oil. Now let's take 2 large onions which is finely chopped. Now let's add it into the oil and stir fry it till the onions becomes nice and translucent. Now at this stage, let's start adding the eggs. Today I'm adding about 8 eggs. Always remember to add the eggs one by one so that you don't end up with a spoiled egg. Check the egg one by one and add it into the pan. You can alter the number of eggs according to the rice that you have. This is a very quick and easy recipe, and it's very easy to make and very tasty as well. Now slowly scramble the eggs and break it into large pieces. This egg rice is a great combination with a nice pepper chicken or a chicken Manchurian. Now at this stage, let's add about 1 teaspoon of salt. And 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. You can alter the pepper powder according to your taste. Now mix everything thoroughly. Till all the egg is well coated in the salt and pepper. So now you can see that the egg is ready. At this stage, let's start adding the rice. Let's add the rice little by little. And mix it thoroughly. Now let's add the second batch of rice. And mix it well. Stir fry it in the pan till the rice becomes nice and hot and steamy. At this stage, check the seasoning and add a little more salt if necessary. Now finally, let's add about half a teaspoon of Ajinomoto or MSG. This is optional. Finally, let's sprinkle a handful of chopped spring onions. And give it a nice quick mix. You can see that the rice is steaming hot. So that's it friends, our delicious and tasty egg rice is ready. This is a great combination with pepper chicken or chicken gravy or even a chicken Manchurian. So if you have leftover rice at home, this is a great option to go for. So go for it, try it and let me know your comments.
So that's it friends, our delicious egg rice is ready. So do try this delicious recipe and let me know your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.